Hey, I'm Troy Peterson, Mr. Bluegill, and welcome to another windy day here on Lake Winnebago. We're out here trying to do another reel report, and you know, Mother Nature's not going to be real cooperative with us, it looks like, this week at all. Want to wish everybody a belated Happy Father's Day from everybody here at the Reel Shop. And, you know, we want to take the boy out fishing, and Mother Nature's blowing us around here quite a bit. We wanted to go out and do some perch fishing. The wind picked up. So we decided to come out in the mud and try and do a little bit of trolling, and now the northeast wind is kicking up pretty good, and just for safety factors, and then we got storms and that coming in too. We're going to head back in and we'll try and get back out and continue this here one night or one afternoon this week. So stick with us. The mud bite's been picking up pretty good here on Winnebago, and we had a pretty successful weekend catching some fish out here. Caught a ton of sheephead. We were pulling spinners and got rid of the spinners and went to crankbaits, and ended up catching a bunch of walleyes and a couple saugers on the crankbaits. But these waves are getting kind of bad here for the little one, so I'm going to take him and head back to shore, and we'll continue this here in the next couple days. So stick with us. That's a start. We'll flip this little girl in here. Oh. Hi, I'm Justin Mont, out here today with Troy Peterson. Weather earlier in the week didn't allow Troy to get out and catch some walleyes, so I talked him in trying something a little different. We're back in some channels on Lake Winnebago, catching smallies. If I can get this Yamagata hook out of there, we'll be all set. Not a giant, but entertaining to say the least. Just shows you that Winnebago has a little bit more to offer than socks, wet towels. But it's all fun, to each their own. Just running TRS tungsten on a Power Team Cradavur, 3/0 Gamakatsu wide gap Texas rig, and we're picking pockets, flipping docks, and seeing what we can do. Hasn't been the most active morning that I've had, but anytime on the water is a good day to be out. So, oh, it's a giant. It is. Woo! Right in the bottom lip too. That's awesome. That should make it interesting. We'll just give him a good old love squeeze. Now this is a largemouth. Not a giant, and they're not numerous. They can be. Good old Cradavur. Try to make it not eat it. He's aggressive.
Is it time for the Johnsonvilles yet?
It's time for the Clements.
Yeah, we gotta get the Clements.
Get the F2 slider.
Get the slider, get the slider, get the slider.
I can't, I'm eating the Clements.
Get the slider, get the slider.
I'm lucky I got this one. I had a mouthful of Clements and
get the slider.
Whew.
Boy, I tell you folks.
Oh, we got them to eat a little bit.
Almost time for Clements.
Cookie cutter. This is probably what, 20, 22?
24 and a half.
I would say that's probably 6 or 7 pounds.
Yep. Oh, that's a Salvosaurus.
Yeah, that is a Gigantosaurus. Oh, and on the dive, whoop, that's about a 3. Little Terminator spinnerbait.
little extra cotton. Getting bigger. Still not very big yet. Oh. Now we've done it. It's just not natural.
Well, I guess the weather's consistent. I'm Justin from the Real Shot. We got a few fish today, but we got a little rained off the lake, so you didn't get to see the smallie action. You'll get to see a little bit of the largemouth. Hopefully, we'll get some better weather next week, and we'll be able to get back out and show you guys a little bit more what the smallie fishery has to offer here on Lake Winnebago. Thanks again.